Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to get this 1 month of free Discord Nitro from Discord and Tower of Fantasy promo. A quick disclaimer before we go into this video. This free Nitro only works for people who never used Nitro on their account before. And this free Nitro is not available for the regions mentioned here. Also, you need a valid payment info. First, you have to download this game, link in the description, and create an account and play till you reach level 6. Once you reach level 6, you have to visit this website, again link in the description, and log into this website using your Tower of Fantasy account, and then click on this claim button. Now it will give you this promo link. Paste the promo link in your browser and it will show you that you got 1 month of free Nitro, then click next. Then it will ask you to enter your payment info and Discord will charge $1 and refund it because Discord wants to verify the payment info is legit or not. Once you activated your Nitro, then it shows Nitro activated. Now go to Discord settings and then go to subscription and click on cancel Nitro. Once you cancel it, you will still have the Nitro for this month. After that it will be gone. Make sure to cancel it, otherwise Discord will auto-bill Nitro from your payment info once the current subscription ends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.